When I first started my channel, I made one of my favorite go-to cocktails, and that was the Paper Plane. This relatively new cocktail was invented in 2008 by Sam Ross, co-owner of the famous Attaboy Cocktail Lounge in New York City. It was on their original menu of the Violet Hour, and this cocktail was named after a famous song at the time by MIA called Paper Planes. The original recipe calls for equal parts bourbon, Aperol, Amaro Nonino, and lemon juice. And from the original video I made, I had a comment from Losario2650 where they dispensed their spin on this classic. So I decided to try it, I enjoyed it, and I'm gonna make it for you. I think this cocktail's worthy of an update, and if you think so, in the comments let me know what your thoughts are. Do you think this elevates the cocktail? And if you enjoy these short and to the point cocktail videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified as I drop new videos each week. And with that said, let's head to the bar and make this. For this cocktail, you're gonna need bourbon, Aperol, Amaro Nonino, and fresh squeezed lemon juice. I've already taken the liberty of freshly squeezing my lemon juice, and I have them in these convenient little bottles, and a lemon peel for garnish. And the tools I need for this drink are a shaker set, a fruit peeler, and a Hawthorne strainer. Everything I use in my bar as well as in this cocktail are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the shaker, added 1 1/4 ounce of bourbon. Now add 1 ounce of Amaro Nonino. Next add 1 ounce of Aperol. And lastly add 2/3 of an ounce of lemon juice. Now add ice to the shaker and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now pull out a chilled coupe glass and strain everything into that coupe glass. Lastly, peel some lemon. Express the oils over the cocktail and garnish the rim like so. And there you have it, the Paper Plane. Cheers. As much as I enjoy this drink originally, this recipe really enhances the parts of the drink I really enjoy. The bourbon's very evened out, but it's less citrusy forward. Don't get me wrong, I've always loved this cocktail, but that mellowed out citrus really does this drink a favor. The only way I can describe it, I know it's gonna sound stupid, but it's kind of a fluffier drink. Focusing on the bourbon and having it balanced out with an Amaro and the Italian bitters from the Aperol really do make this drink a wonderful cocktail. So I'd love to hear in the comments, what are your thoughts on this drink? Would you try this new recipe? Would you stick with the old original recipe? Either way, let me know. And don't get me wrong, there is absolutely no wrong answer. And additionally, please consider hitting that subscribe button as I put out new videos and shorts each week. The support means a ton. But until next time, cheers.